Valley Milk is the vision of 5 multi-generational dairy families, nutritionists, and veterinarians who combined resources and expertise to process Central Valley milk into world-class dairy ingredients. With world-class engineering and a rock-solid financial relationship, our state-of-the-art processing facility was built in Turlock, California. Commercial operations began on February 1, 2018. Our founder family dairies, all located within 45 miles of the plant, supply 100% of the raw milk demand for our production processes. Raw milk is received from the farm at the receiving bay. Here, 50,000 pounds of raw milk is unloaded from a tanker in less than 8 minutes. From the raw milk silos, milk is delivered to the separators, where the milk is separated into cream and skim milk. In the evaporator, water is removed, concentrating the skim milk. The concentrated skim milk moves on to the dryer, where it completes its transformation into dry milk powder. The finished milk powder is transferred into totes or bags. Bags are sealed automatically before passing through a metal detector to ensure the packaged milk powder meets Valley Milk's exacting standards. Packaged product bags are stacked onto pallets for shipping. Once a pallet is loaded, it is wrapped in shipping wrap and the pallet moves on to the warehouse. Pallets that are ready for shipment are loaded into trucks and leave Valley Milk to feed a hungry world. The maintenance department keeps the sophisticated machinery and systems in peak operating condition and operates the utility systems that power the plant. The administration and finance departments are responsible for the business operations, caring for the people and finances of Valley Milk. Valley Milk has its own quality assurance lab on site. Testing by our QA team ensures our products are of high quality and are safe for use. Valley Milk is a state-of-the-art facility that blends technology and advanced process controls with an agile workforce to produce some of the finest dairy ingredients in the world. Today, Valley Milk processes 2.5 million pounds of milk each day. We will continue to grow and expand our operations, adding new products to meet the needs of our customers.